Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit Moody Portrait filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to -0.14. Contrast to +1. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +100. Whites to -33. Blacks to +1. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to -6. Tint to -12. Saturation to -15. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to +28. Saturation to -33. Luminance to +12. Go to orange. Hue to +8. Saturation to -58. Luminance to +15. Go to yellow. Hue to -1. Saturation to +29. Luminance to +15. Go to green. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Luminance to +44. Go to cyan. Hue to +10. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -6. Go to blue. Hue to +1. Saturation to -65. Luminance to +30. Go to violet. Hue to -24. Saturation to -8. Luminance to +18. Go to magenta. Hue to +80. Saturation to +3. Luminance to +54. Done. Next go to Effects. Clarity to -10. Go to Split Tone. Balance to -1. Done. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 104. Color noise reduction to 25. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.